Hi WeChat family, to watch the full video, please kindly click the timer under this video at your right hand and watch till the end, or go to my YouTube channel at Stacy Banks to watch the full video. And please do not forget to follow, subscribe.
Depuis longtemps, baby, won't you be mine? J'aimerais que tu saches que I'm falling for you. Je fais une chute.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Stacy Banks and I'm a hairstylist here in China. I am located in Shanghai, China. Okay, so today I want to show you guys how to do this half up half down knotless braids and cornrows, whatever you call it. Okay, so first of all, I had already started doing the knotless braids behind her head. I have a detailed video showing you guys how to do this. I'm going to link it up in the card at the right hand of this screen. You can click that to watch, or you check my description box. Okay, so I'm going to use this shine jam. In my previous video I explained why I'm using this, so if you want to get those perfect looking braids, you need to use it. Okay, so on a normal day I don't normally part it into 3 before braiding, but just for this video, for those of you who are beginners, you might want to part it into 3 like so, and then you braid before you add your hair. Okay, I already have a video also showing you guys how I part my hair when doing knotless braids, so you might want to check that out as well. I'm going to link it up on this card right here or at the end of this video. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to add your braid, the length of your braids, without having like this crossover hair, and I hope you understand what I mean. So you put it as, just watch as I'm doing. I don't really know how to explain. You cross it over and then you start braiding. You twist, cross twist, and then you braid. If you don't understand, please rewind and check again. For the cornrows, I just did this very simple style. You can just screenshot and try to see how you can maybe mimic the same style. She actually brought her style and I actually did something much more better. Okay, so I have a video also showing you guys how to do this fit in cornrows. You can also watch this video and you will understand. You just take in bit by bit and braids, put it under the hair, and then you braid just like you are doing knotless braid, but you are doing cornrows with it. Okay, so you will add the hair as you go. The more you braid, the bigger you add the hair you add. I don't know if you understand. So you just have to watch So in order to hide like the rough ends of her natural hair, I use the shine jam on the ends, and then I braid. When you get to the end, you use the shine jam, and then you add your extension to add the length. So most people always braid from end, add the shine jam from the beginning of the braids to the end of where her hair is. But in order to save some coins, you have to, I started doing it, and then when I get to the ends of her hair, I add more shine jam. That's just how it is. So now look how gorgeous the hair turned out. Okay, I went ahead and I did her baby hairs, and then I curled the end with hot water. If you want to see a video on how I did the curls, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will